Searching the Greek text from the Browse window. For Greek searches from the Browse window, you have the option of searching for the single form of the word as it is displayed in your passage, or for every possible form of the word as it might appear in the version you are searching. If we double-click on a word, we find that it searches for every occurrence of only this form of the word. Notice when the mouse cursor is held over the word phroneta, the word tips displays the lemma phroneo, to think. In most cases, we'll wish to search for any possible form of the word in addition to the form as it is displayed in the verse. We can do so by executing a search on lemma with the right mouse button. Right-click on the word and choose Search on Lemma, and you'll find that BibleWorks has found any possible form of the word phroneo throughout the version where I executed my right mouse click. So in summary, if you wish to search for the particular form of the word, double-click on the word. But if you wish to search for the word in any form, right-click on the word and choose Search on Lemma. This finds the word as it appears in any form in the version you are searching.